series of major collisions paralyzed Highway 400 during the final weekend of December 2025, as a combination of black ice, heavy snow squalls, and high winds created treacherous driving conditions across York and Simcoe regions. Between December 28 and December 29, 2025, Ontario Provincial Police, OPP, responded to dozens of incidents, including a significant multi-vehicle pileup that led to vehicle fires and prolonged highway closures during the busy holiday travel season. The most severe incident occurred on the afternoon of Sunday, December 28. Emergency crews were dispatched to the northbound lanes of Highway 400 between Teston Road and Lloydtown-Aurora Road in Vaughan, following reports of a chain reaction collision involving at least 7 vehicles. According to the OPP Highway Safety Division, the crash was triggered when a passenger sedan lost control on a patch of black ice, striking a concrete median before being hit by an oncoming SUV. The impact caused a third vehicle, a delivery van, to catch fire.
Oh, more up there.
The visibility was near zero at the time due to sudden lake effect snow, said OPP Sergeant Carrie Schmidt. The fire spread quickly, but thanks to the heroic actions of bystanders and the rapid response from Vaughan Fire Services, all occupants were evacuated from the burning vehicles before the flames took hold. Paramedics treated 5 individuals at the scene for non-life-threatening injuries. 2 people were transported to a local trauma center in stable condition. The northbound lanes remained closed for over 4 hours as forensic investigators processed the scene and crews worked to clear the charred wreckage and debris. The danger persisted into Monday, December 29th, as temperatures plummeted further. Early that morning, a separate collision involving 2 tractor-trailers and 3 passenger cars occurred near Canal Road in Bradford. This secondary incident resulted in a massive fuel spill, necessitating an environmental cleanup team. One of the transport trucks jackknifed across 3 lanes, effectively cutting off traffic flow for those commuting from Barrie toward Toronto. Commuters reported being stranded in their vehicles for up to 3 hours. It was a parking lot, said one driver. You could see the ice shimmering on the asphalt. Every time someone tried to brake, they just slid. Ministry of Transportation, MTO, crews worked around the clock, deploying salt and sand, but officials warned that the extreme cold rendered road salt less effective. As of early Tuesday morning, December 30th, all lanes on Highway 400 have been reopened. However, maintenance crews continue to perform emergency repairs on the guardrails damaged during the weekend's chaos between Mapleview Drive and Canal Road. Drivers are urged to check the Ontario 511 website or mobile app for real-time updates before heading out, as another system of light snow is forecasted for New Year's Eve. Meanwhile, as of Tuesday, December 30th, 2025, Highway 402 remains a focal point of emergency operations following a series of high-impact collisions that paralyzed the international transit corridor over the last 48 hours. Extreme winter weather, characterized by sudden whiteout conditions and black ice, has been identified as the primary catalyst for a massive multi-vehicle pileup that has left several injured and the highway closed for an extended period. The most significant incident occurred on the afternoon of December 28, 2025, in the westbound lanes of Highway 402 near Centre Road, exit 65, in Strathroy-Caradoc. According to the Ontario Provincial Police, OPP Middlesex Detachment, the pileup began when a commercial transport truck lost traction, jackknifed across 3 lanes, and was subsequently struck by a line of oncoming passenger vehicles. The chain reaction eventually involved 14 vehicles, including 3 heavy tractor-trailers and 11 cars. Emergency responders from Strathroy and Kerwood worked through freezing temperatures to extricate 4 individuals trapped in their vehicles. The visibility was near zero, said an OPP spokesperson at the scene. Drivers were hit with a sudden wall of snow blowing off the fields, making it impossible to react to the disabled vehicles ahead. Middlesex London EMS confirmed that 6 people were transported to local hospitals. 2 individuals are currently in critical condition at a London trauma center, while the others sustained non-life-threatening injuries. In an extraordinary display of coordination, the Orange Air Ambulance was dispatched but was initially forced to stand down due to the severe wind gusts and poor visibility, highlighting the treacherous nature of the weather on this specific stretch of the 402. On December 29, 2025, as cleanup continued in Strathroy, a secondary collision occurred closer to the U.S. border in Sarnia. A transport truck carrying automotive parts collided with a concrete barrier near Modeland Road, causing a significant fuel spill. The Sarnia Fire Rescue Services and environmental cleanup crews were on site for over 10 hours to mitigate the hazard of diesel leaking into the drainage system. This incident caused a massive backlog for trucks heading toward the Blue Water Bridge, with queues stretching back nearly 15 kilometers. The highway has partially reopened from London to Strathroy, but one lane remains closed between Centre Road and Hickory Drive for ongoing wreckage removal and guardrail repair. Eastbound Highway 402, fully open, though motorists are reporting extremely slippery patches between Sarnia and Watford. Commercial traffic is moving slowly. Drivers are advised to check the Blue Water Bridge Toll Authority for real-time wait times before approaching the border. The OPP Technical Collision Investigation (TCI) unit is continuing its analysis of the Strathroy pileup. Preliminary data suggests that while weather was a major factor, several vehicles were traveling at speeds inconsistent with the road conditions. "We cannot stress this enough. See snow, go slow," stated Sergeant Carrie Schmidt. The 402 is notorious for lake-effect snow squalls that can change from clear skies to a total whiteout in seconds. If you are traveling towards Sarnia today, ensure your fuel tank is full, your tires are winter-ready, and your phone is charged. The closure of Highway 402 has caused ripples through the regional supply chain. As a vital link for the just-in-time manufacturing sector between Ontario and Michigan, the 48-hour disruption has delayed shipments of automotive parts and perishable goods. Logistics experts suggest that the backlog may take another 72 hours to fully clear. A winter storm is pummeling the province with up to 20 centimeters of snow across northeastern Ontario, freezing rain conditions in the south and winds gusting up to 80 kilometers an hour, leading to blizzard conditions in some areas. Ontario's Highway 511 shows several highway closures, including Highway 17 from west of White River to Sault Ste. Marie, Highway 17 from Sault Ste. Marie to the junction with Highway 548, Highway 101 from Wawa to Single Lake, Highway 129 from Devon to Thessalon, Highway 11 from Hearst to Matheson, Highway 11 from Timmins to Carnegie Township. Hydro One is currently reporting thousands of outages across the province, including hundreds in the northeast. If you are affected by a power outage, you can go to CBC Lite, which is a low-bandwidth, text-only website that is easier to load and uses minimal data. Monday's winter storm has prompted the city of Greater Sudbury, alongside other municipalities across the north, to declare a significant weather event. The public is urged to avoid non-essential travel. In Sault Ste. Marie and Timmins, the majority of city-operated community centers, facilities and programming are closed until further notice. City buses in those cities are not in service, and waste collection scheduled for today has been postponed. The city of Sault Ste. Marie says snow removal crews are prioritizing main and collector roads, followed by residential streets. All available staff and equipment are deployed and will operate around the clock to manage snow accumulation and ice formation, the city wrote. Anyone traveling on city streets should proceed with caution. Many stores, Restaurants and businesses across the north have also taken to social media this morning to announce they won't be opening their doors today. Anyone in the region hoping to catch a flight today can expect delays or cancellations. Environment Canada has issued several snow squall warnings for areas east of Lake Huron. Orange weather alerts have been issued, with 20 to 50 centimeters expected overall. The highest snowfall amounts are expected for areas including Huron County, Saugeen Shores, and Kincardine, where 25 to 50 centimeters is in the forecast. An initial brief, intense snow squall is expected this morning along a cold front. A quick 5 centimeters of snow is expected from this snow squall, as well as a rapid temperature drop, leading to icy surfaces, Environment Canada said. Lake effect snow squalls off Lake Huron will also develop this morning. Widespread blowing snow and blizzard conditions will be the primary concern, as northwesterly wind gusts of 70 to 90 kilometers per hour are expected today. Lake effect snow squalls off Lake Huron will also develop this morning. Widespread blowing snow and blizzard conditions will be the primary concern, as northwesterly wind gusts of 70 to 90 kilometers per hour are expected today. The Barrie area is expected to see 25 to 45 centimeters, and 20 to 40 centimeters is in the forecast for the London area. Parts of the Greater Toronto area are also under snow squall warnings or watches. Yellow warnings have been issued for Northern York and Durham regions, where 15 to 25 centimeters is possible. Part of Halton region, including Milton, is under a yellow watch with a quick 5 centimeters of snow possible. The Kitchener area is also under a watch, where 10 to 20 centimeters is possible. Extremely hazardous travel conditions are expected, Environment Canada warned, with road closures and utility outages possible in the hardest hit areas. The snow should ease by Tuesday afternoon.